Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 8 maths on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you chapter 16 surface area and volume sums on textbook page number 113. Count and write the faces, vertices and edges of the following figures and complete the table. First one, cube. We will count faces, vertices and edges of cube. First we will count faces of cube. Front side, back side, left side, right side, up side and down side. Altogether there are 6 faces of cube. Now we'll count vertices of cube. Vertices means points. Point A, point B, point C, point D, point G, point E, point F and point H. Altogether there are 8 vertices of cube. Now we'll count edges of cube. Edges means sides. Segment AB, segment BC, segment CD, segment DA, segment GE, segment EF, segment FH, segment GH, segment AG, segment BE, segment DH and segment CF. Altogether there are 12 edges of cube. Next, cuboid. Like cube, cuboid also has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Next, triangular prism. Count the number of faces, vertices and edges of triangular prism. This is the triangular prism. First we'll count number of faces of triangular prism. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Altogether there are 5 faces of triangular prism. Now we'll count vertices of triangular prism. Point A, point B, point C, point E, point D and point F. Altogether there are 6 vertices of triangular prism. Now we'll count edges of triangular prism. Segment AB, segment BC, segment AC, segment ED, segment EF, segment DF, segment AE, segment BD and segment CF. Altogether there are 9 edges of triangular prism. Next, triangular pyramid. Count the number of faces, vertices and edges of triangular pyramid. This is the triangular pyramid. First we'll count number of faces of triangular pyramid. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 faces of triangular pyramid. We'll count vertices of triangular pyramid. Point W, point X, point Y and point Z. Altogether there are 4 vertices of triangular pyramid. Count the edges of triangular pyramid. Segment WX, segment XY, segment YZ, segment ZW, segment WY and segment XZ. Altogether there are 6 edges of triangular pyramid. Next, pentagonal pyramid. Count the number of faces, vertices and edges of pentagonal pyramid. This is the pentagonal pyramid. First we'll count number of faces of pentagonal pyramid. Front side there are 3 triangular faces, back side there are 2 triangular faces and down side there is 1 pentagonal face. Altogether there are 6 faces of pentagonal pyramid. Now we'll count vertices of pentagonal pyramid. Point C, point D, point E, point F, point G and point H. Altogether there are 6 vertices of pentagonal pyramid. Now we'll count edges of pentagonal pyramid. Segment HD, segment DE, segment EF, segment FG, segment GH, segment CD, segment CE, segment CF, segment CG and segment CH. Altogether there are 10 edges of pentagonal pyramid. Last one is hexagonal prism. Count the number of faces, vertices and edges of hexagonal prism. This is the hexagonal prism. First we'll count number of faces of hexagonal prism. Upside and downside 2 faces. Front side there are 3 faces and back side also there are 3 faces. Altogether there are 8 faces of hexagonal prism. Now we'll count vertices of hexagonal prism. Point O, point P, point Q, point R, point S, point T, point A, point B, point C, point D, point E and point F. Altogether, there are 12 vertices of hexagonal prism. Now we'll count edges of hexagonal prism. Segment PQ, segment QR, segment RS, segment ST, segment TO, segment OP, segment AB, segment BC, segment CD, segment DF, segment FE, segment AE, segment PA, segment OE, segment TF, segment ST, segment QB and segment RC. Altogether, there are 18 edges of hexagonal prism. If you understood class 8th math sum on textbook page number 113, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.